I've always loved being outside. That was always my side hustle. I was always doing drainage work, lawn care.
I like being outside in the woods, just hiking all the time. I am interested in sustainability and ecological design.
My dad actually found the course curriculum and sent it to me, and I read it. And I was like, man, that sounds like something right up my alley.
We're using plants to save the world.
We did research on invasive species in the watershed that Mississippi State University is located in, the Catawba Creek Redbud watershed. And our focus was how much of this invasive species is in the watershed and how much would it cost to eradicate it and replace it. I think it would help me with ecological and habitat restoration and that sort of design.
You have to go on site visits, you have to touch things, you have to see things, so that's always fun.
This summer, working for Landscape Workshop in construction, you're getting operating time on equipment. You are doing dirt work, irrigation, plant installs. I am right now working on a presidential elected federal courthouse, and it's a $1.5 million project for Landscape Workshop. I honestly didn't realize that the landscape maintenance and construction world was as large as it is. Like, the green industry is way bigger and it is growing, and I think it's a great time to be in it. I love the program. I love what we do. I love seeing a site and it just being bare dirt, and you know that you put your hands on it and you made it what it is when you walk away.